So here is my sound accumulator box, future orgone accumulator. This is what I use to keep the pyramids curing. A little heater in here, and put some music on. So right now we have this. This one sounded good last night. It's just a mixture of different frequencies. This old beat up iPad here. You can see up there what goes on. Chakra cleansing, 15 hertz. That's a good one. That's what's in the radionics, the 15 hertz chakra cleansing. So anyways, this is what 8 Fibonacci sound. That's pretty similar to the Schumann resonance. Anyway, so I had these curing overnight, and that's what we use to heat them up. And so we got like a little insulation here, so it wouldn't be that hard to make this an orgone accumulator. I just need to get a little more metal, maybe another layer of wood, and maybe sitting there. Maybe that's in the future, you know. Something to look forward to. But yeah, this is how we cure the devices. So they're about ready to sand and gloss. And yeah, a lot goes into these. A lot of elements, a lot of prep work, and then the post work is sanding and glossing. But this time is where they're forming, and all the elements are combining together, getting that piezoelectric squeeze, and so they're kind of soaking in the frequencies too. So when you get them, they will be, pretty much ready to go, charged up. Frequencies have a really strong impact on our environment. That's why they're bombarding us with negative frequencies, really high frequencies, really low frequencies, but there's some in the sweet spot, like 432 and 528 and 15 hertz, 101. There's a lot of good ones in the sweet spot, so that's what I try to use when I'm curing the devices.